Hello, my name is Rusty. Welcome back to my channel. In our previous part of the video, we have seen how we make use of Ansible to convert a server level operating system to a domain controller. We build our first forest, right? Now, the objective of this video is we are going to create a domain user account, add it to the domain admin group so that we can not only manage the domain controllers but also the member servers in that forest, right? So let's begin. We are going to use the Win domain user module, and I have already copied the example part of it to my Visual Code Editor. So there you go. I have all the necessary information updated, such as the name of the user account, the password, desired password for the account, the first name, last name, and also the group which it should belong to, along with the Active Directory administrative account so that Ansible can authenticate to the forest and create the user, right? So let's jump onto our Ubuntu system and run our YAML file. Okay, perfect. So we see OK 2 changed 1. Let's switch back to our domain controller and do a quick refresh. Go to user section. There you go. So we have our user created. Let's also confirm that it's a member of the domain admins. Perfect. So now this user account we can use in our Ansible host inventory file so that it can manage the domain controller, but also the member servers, right? So let's do a quick update on our host file configuration. So let me open it up. Okay, so we have our server section, which is the workgroup system. So let's comment it out. We will create a new group. Let's name it domain 8. Okay, just in case if we will use the child item. Okay, let's create the variable for the domain group. Ansible user is going to be cool. Okay, so we have created our domain group. And we have also updated the variables that Ansible will use to connect to the domain servers, right? So let's save this file here. Quickly verify. Yep, that looks good. All right, so let's do a quick check by doing a ping. And we will this time pass the domain group with an M, and we will use the ping module again. Perfect, so that concludes. Now we are able to use a domain user account, which is ANC-SVC account, to be able to manage our domain systems, right? Now the reason why I have put in the domain admin group, it's because if we want to not only manage the member servers, but also we want to manage our domain controllers. So for that reason, we have to add domain admins, right? But we can figure out any other ways possible as well. Thank you for watching this video.